Friends, I am Pranita Sheshni. Today I am here to talk the topic of CDM, that is clinical data management. In this, today we see that the clinical trials. What is the clinical trials? The clinical trials are the trials which are carried out in the human beings after the preclinical trials to check the safety, efficacy of the drugs which are developed in the preclinical studies, and it for the clinical trial we can require the 7 years period. It is a long time period for required to the clinical trials. There are four phases which are included in the clinical trial, that is phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and that is post marketing phase, that is for phase 4. First of all, we see the phase 0. In the phase 0, the microdosing studies are involved. What is the microdosing? In that 100:1 amount is present in the microdosing studies. In this phase 0, there are 20 healthy volunteers are used for the studies. In these 20 healthy volunteers, we can check the safety, efficacy of the drug which we can given to the healthy volunteers. In this, safety and efficacy is checked. Then the next phase is the phase 1. In the phase 1, the clinical pharmacological evaluation is carried out. In this, 20 to 80 healthy volunteers are used for the studies. In this, we can check the toxicity of drug, maximum tolerated effect of the drug, pharmacology, pharmacodynamic studies. In this carried out, what is the maximum tolerated drug? The maximum tolerated drug means the drug which does not causes any adverse effect, or the drug which does not gives any side effect or adverse effect. In this also include the dose limiting toxicity, that is DLC. It is carried out in the 60 healthy volunteers. What is the dose limiting toxicity? The dose limiting toxicity is the limit of toxicity, that is, in this the toxicity is stopped. Then there are different types of phase 1, that is SAD, MAD and food effect. What is the SAD? SAD means the single ascending dose, MAD means the multiple ascending dose, and food effect. We can see the first, that is single ascending dose, that is SAD. The single ascending dose, in this the group of people, the 5 group of people is selected for the studies. In this one at a one time the one dose is given to the one person to check the ADR and toxicity of the given drug. And next is the MAD. MAD means the multiple ascending dose, which is in which the multiple groups of peoples are chosen for this, and at a one time multiple people given a multiple dose treatment to check the ADR and toxicity of the drug. Phase is the phase 2. In this, the control clinical evaluation is carried out. Means in this the half number of population of the people given to a placebo, that is a standard drug, and half number of people given to a test drug, which is we developed in the laboratory. In this 100 to 300 volunteer patients are used for the studies. In these, controlled single blind techniques are used for this. The phase 2 is mainly concerned with the safety, efficacy, drug toxicity and drug interaction of the drug. Means in this the safety, efficacy, toxicity is taken in this step. Next phase is the phase 3, that is a therapeutic confirmatory phase. It is the main phase of the clinical trials, that is in this stage it is called as extended clinical trials, but this stage is expensive and time consuming. This stage requires 7 years to carry out. In this, 250 to 1000 healthy volunteers are used for this test. In this, controlled double blind technique is used for this, and this third phase is concerned with the safety efficacy of the drug, and it is compared with the other drugs which are already in the market, and also include the package insert. Two types of the phase third stage, that is phase third A and phase third B. First of all, we see that the phase third A. What is the phase third A? In this phase third A, the confirmation of safety and efficacy of drug is carried out. That is, in this, NDA application is applicable to the regulatory agency to approve our new drug in the market. NDA means new drug application. And next is the phase third B. In this, the information or additional data is adding in the NDA application, that is SNDA. The SNDA means the supplementary new drug application. It is carried out to approve our new drug in the market. Next and last step is the phase 4, which is not included in the clinical trial. It is the phase which is carried out after the clinical trials, that is phase 4, which is called as post-marketing surveillance or post-marketing phase. It is designed to detect any rare or long-term adverse effect of a drug for the healthy volunteers or not. In this phase, the adverse drug reaction is monitoring, and this is in this phase the pharmacovigilance is applicable. The phase 4 is most important for our drug or drug development, which is depend upon the marketing of the drug in the market. And I think it is enough for us about the clinical trial studies. Thank you for listening me. Thank you again.